Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to part one of my house renovation series. So if you don't know, but me and my partner, we bought a house back in November of last year and we have decided to completely renovate it. So in part one, you will get to see us redecorating our upstairs. So that includes our master bedroom, bathroom, our landing, also my little wardrobe room, which I've decided to do a separate video on. But I've just been gathering little clips here and there, a lot of time lapses, just to see like the progress of everything. And I'm really happy with it, I'm really happy with the outcome, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so I'm currently in the master bedroom. I'm going to insert some videos of us stripping the wallpapers, just sort of getting the room as to where it is today. Enjoy. Okay, so this is the current progress of our master bedroom. We've stripped the wallpaper, so the walls are pretty much ready to be skimmed. We just need to take off the radiator, and my boyfriend Andy has actually started doing the wires for the plugs. So well done, babe. But yeah, this is the current situation. As you can see, it's not currently livable. But here we've got a really exciting plan for this. So in here, this is actually the slant of the staircase. And here we're just going to build up all the way to the wall, sort of like a built-in cupboard. And here we're just going to have pull-out drawers with shoes and sort of like a pull-out rail, because this is going to be quite deep, as you can see. So we're going to try to optimize space as much as we can. And then we're just going to have a chest of drawers, and then TV over there, and then our bed just here with 2 bedside tables and lamps. So yeah, I'm just really excited to see what the room's going to look like. My camera is literally about to die, but I thought I would quickly show you the current situation of the bathroom. As you can see, it is very old-fashioned, but yeah, all of this has been changed. We're actually removing this wall because this is the airing cupboard, so we're getting rid of that. And we're going to have a shower, and then we're changing the position of the toilet so it faces this way, and then we're going to have a different sink, completely different tiled walls. But yeah, really excited to see what that looks like. But yeah, here's the before. There you go. And I'm going to show you after at some point next week, hopefully, or the progress of it, I hope. Tiles are in.
Well,
half the tiles are in. The frame for the toilet is in. The shower tray is in as well. It's just really messy. Update on the bathroom. We've got a toilet, radiator, there you go. A shower tray enclosure. A mess, tiles are done. And then you come into this room, that's all plastered, painted. Yep, that's all done. And this is the landing.
hi.
We've got no ceiling.
Doing well.
Long time no speak, but thought I would give you guys a little bit of an update. Excuse the no makeup, greasy hair, and the fact that I'm filming on my phone, but I just wanted to quickly show you what's been going on in the house. So the bathroom is pretty much finished. I don't want to give you guys too much away, but it's pretty much done. We've had the landing done, so we've got our laminate floors. We've gone for the same laminate floors all the way. It's going to be the same laminate floors in all the bedrooms, but we've had this side plastered so we can fit in the door frames. We're not going to do this side just yet, just because we're going to be changing the railing, what's it called? This thing, yeah. So we're going to leave this pink for now. And then for the master bedroom, we've had this plastered, painted, all of the sockets, plugs, everything's in. This little thing is for the aircon control, which we haven't had installed yet. But we've started to build our IKEA furniture. There you go. The TV's gonna go there. Obviously this is all gonna be like straight, aligned, I guess. And obviously our bed is gonna go here. It's been a while since I've last vlogged, so I might as well show you all the updates in the house. I'm currently in like my little wardrobe room, but I'm not going to show you anything in this video. I'm saving it all for like a whole separate video of this room sort of transformation. But might as well show you the updates. Obviously nothing has changed in the landing. We're still waiting for our downstairs to be finished before we can sort this whole area out. But I've realised I've never showed you guys our spare bedroom. So this is our spare bedroom. This is so embarrassing, the fact that I'm showing this. But this is currently our dump room. It's pretty obvious why. We've kind of got our old TV, old sofa, whilst the downstairs is being renovated. But this will eventually be the spare bedroom, where we're going to have like a nice little bed for our guests, a TV, and also like some storage space as well for like bed linen and towels. But yeah, that's the room. Right now it's just staying as is. We don't really open this room, so let's close it. Also, here's our doors. I've realised I've never showed you guys them, but yeah, please ignore the massive hole in this one. I don't really want to talk about it. We've had a bit of an incident with it and we can't return it because we got them from Poland. But yeah, we've gone for like black handles, and this one will eventually have like a lock on it, but we haven't got that yet. And let's move on to the bathroom. So here is our bathroom. Let me give you guys a quick little overview. There you go. It's not very big, but there you go. Obviously the first thing that you see is our huge shower enclosure. We are absolutely obsessed with this. We've gone for like a French style sort of door, with like matte black details. We've got a huge shower head as well to match. Honestly, it's so nice and so relaxing. But yeah, honestly, it's huge. We've probably gone for something a little bit smaller, but my boyfriend insisted on going for this size, so obviously I listened. Then we've got our lovely matte black radiator, and we've got our mirror, which we are again obsessed with. We love this so much. It lights up as well, adds nice like a little ambience to it. Yeah, this is from Pebble Grey, I think, but I'm going to link as much stuff as I possibly can. And then moving down, we've got our sink, which is from Wix's. One thing I would say about Wix's is I don't recommend buying from them. Don't get me wrong, their quality is great, but if you want to get it on time, then don't even bother. Got our lovely, again, matte black accessories with it. This should be gone. Andy, come on, get rid of it. And then we've got our toilet area. We've got a wall hung toilet. We did have a few issues with installing this, but it's all done now and we love it. And then we've got our little shelf, I guess. Because this is a wall hung toilet, the cistern had to kind of stick out a little bit. But again, we are loving this little shelf for perfumes, for little cotton buds. And then we've got our window area. It's looking a bit bare at the moment. We did get this plant the other day, and it kind of reminds me of a romaine lettuce. And we got this cute little plant pot for it from Danone. Again, it matches with the whole vibe. And then to match the sink, we've got our little cupboard, again, literally filled with all of my stuff. And yeah, just, this is also from Wix's. And our bin. I think that's everything. This is the update of our master bedroom. As you can see, it is looking very plain right now. We are still working on it, but right in the middle we've got our massive bed. So this bed used to be brown, like a wood sort of colour, but we've decided to paint it black just to kind of match with our theme a little bit more. And then either sides we've got our bedside tables from IKEA, and then we've got these lamps from Dunelm, which I'm already thinking of changing just because I don't like, there's just too much black. I want to add a little bit more colour, so I'm thinking of going for something a little bit different. Also, we are thinking of DIYing our bedside tables. We are thinking of adding some lots of handles to them just to make them look a little bit different. Obviously, we are going to also add more wall prints. Obviously, this is going to be built up into like a wardrobe. And then obviously we've got our TV and bedside, not bedside, what do you call these? Just drawers for extra clothing. Which clothes don't fit in here. But yeah, we are also thinking of DIYing these ones as well, just to add handles. And yeah, just adding plants, prints on the wall. We are also thinking of adding like a little stool in here, just to kind of a place where you can dump your clothes and so on, and getting new blinds because I really don't like these ones. I think they're a bit boring. But yeah, that's that so far. Also, our bedding is from Dunelm. Again, if you've got any questions about where something is from, just let me know.